If you want to understand the difference between internal and external linking, then this video is the perfect resource for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from makblogs. In today's lecture, that is lecture 34, we will be exploring a fundamental aspect of SEO content writing, and that is understanding the difference between internal and external linking. We will clarify these concepts and provide examples to make it easy for both beginners and experienced writers to grasp. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the complete makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. So let's get started. First, we have internal linking versus external linking. Let's begin by defining these terms. Internal linking, links that connect pages within your own website. External linking, links that direct users to external websites or resources outside your domain. Got it? Now, understanding internal linking. Internal links are like pathways within your website, guiding users from one page to another. They are essential for helping users navigate your site, distributing page authority and SEO value, establishing a website hierarchy. Now, understanding external linking. External link, on the other hand, take users away from your site to other web resources. They serve purposes such as citing sources and providing references, offering additional information from authoritative sources, building relationships with external websites. Got it? Now, key differences between internal and external linking. Destination. Internal links stay within your websites. External link leads to external websites. Second, control. Internal links, you have full control over internal links. External links, you cannot control external websites. Got it? Now, if we are talking about SEO impact, internal links distribute SEO value within your site. External links affects the credibility and authority of external websites. User experience. Internal links improves website navigation. External link enhances content with external resources. Now, examples of internal and external links. First, internal link example. To learn more about our services, visit our services page. This is an internal link directing user to another page within your website. Got it? Now, the example of external link. According to a study by external source, 90% of users prefer blah 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 blah. This is an external link. References an external source. Got it? Now, best practices for internal and external linking. Use descriptive anchor text for both types of link. Ensure internal links are relevant to the content. For external links, choose authoritative and reputable sources. Regularly review and update external links. Don't overuse external links. Maintain a balanced ratio. Got it? So, in conclusion, we can say that understanding the difference between internal and external linking is crucial for effective SEO content writing. Internal links aid navigation and SEO, while external links enhance content credibility and user experience. Use them strategically to create valuable content and improve your website's overall performance. Stay tuned for our upcoming lessons where we will continue to explore advanced SEO content writing techniques. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining us in lecture 34, where we explored the difference between internal and external linking. If you are looking for exceptional digital services like SEO, content writing and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.